So before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to recover smart chain Ethereum sent to metamask. Okay, but before we go on, please like and subscribe to my channel. All right. Now, before we talk about smart chain Ethereum sent to metamask, how to recover smart chain Ethereum sent to metamask, or how to recover smart chain Ethereum sent to wrong address on metamask that is not reflecting. Okay, so before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to do all that without having any problem. So you're watching this video, is either you're watching it to learn or you're watching it to recover your coin that is sent to wrong address. So be sure that the first thing you're going to do right now is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment in the comment section if there's anything you want me to talk about, or there's anything you don't understand, or if you need any assistance. So at the end of the day, if you're able to recover your coin, please, and you want to support my channel, please scan the smart chain address or check the description for smart chain address. You're appreciated. All right, now there are a couple of reasons why most people lose Ethereum sent to metamask. Number one, they are either sending from Binance on a wrong network. They are sending on either BSC network to metamask, and that BSC network, metamask, is officially built on Ethereum address. Then the next reason is they are sending from Trust Wallet, but they are sending a peg Ethereum to metamask. Let's say they want to swap a token. Let's say they want to swap a token on Ethereum network. They'll go to Trust Wallet rather. What will be convert the smart chain to Ethereum? What will be showing on Trust Wallet will be Ethereum, not knowing that that Ethereum is actually a peg Ethereum, Binance peg Ethereum. So they end up sending their coin to metamask and then losing it. So this is how to actually go about it. All right, so this is how it goes. First of all, most people do go to you can see metamask right here is built on Ethereum network, not on Binance smart chain network, or unlike the Trust Wallet that is a multi-coin wallet. Okay, so here, let's say you send Ethereum to metamask and then it's not showing. Okay, the first thing you need to do is, just like I've mentioned initially, first reason why most people lose their coin sent to Ethereum sent to metamask is they send on wrong network. So if they are sending from Binance, why sending to metamask, they probably send on wrong network. So they probably send on wrong network. When you click on withdraw and then you paste in address, I'm just pasting any random address and then you tap here. So most people choose smart chain just so that they could reduce their transaction fee, but they end up sending at the end of the day, that's a smart chain Ethereum, a Binance peg Ethereum. It will not reflect on that metamask address. So another case is Trust Wallet. For the case of Trust Wallet, what they do is they convert their smart chain to Ethereum, and then it exists as Ethereum. Let's just type Ethereum here. Ethereum. So you could see Binance peg 𝗦𝗚𝗞𝗘 Ethereum. So now most people cannot differentiate between this first Ethereum that is the main Ethereum and then this other Ethereum that is 𝗦𝗚𝗞𝗘, and then when they send that Ethereum to metamask, it doesn't reflect. So now let's say you send your Ethereum from your Trust Wallet or from wherever you sent it to metamask and it's not reflecting. This is what you need to do. First of all, you need to be sure that you sent it to the right address. That is your metamask address. You need to be sure that it's the right address you sent it to. Then you click on the menu. When you click on the menu, the next thing you do is you click on settings. When you click on settings, click on network. When you click on network, click on add new network. When you click on add new network, it will be blank this way. Then what you need to do is you fill in these details that I have on the screen right here. Smart chain, then the RPC URL as this BSC data set, then chain ID 56, symbol is BNB. You could put any symbol but BNB because it's BNB network you're sending it to. And then the next thing, block explorer URL, took bscscan.com, and then you click save. Automatically it will switch your network this way. It will just automatically switch it this way. From here it will switch to Binance Smart Chain. You have it Smart Chain, and your Ethereum will automatically reflect. You can see I have like some pieces of what they call it, WB right there. Your Ethereum will automatically reflect. But if it doesn't reflect, you can send me an email. But what you need to do most cases is you just need to add it up manually. All right, so now when your Ethereum reflects, okay, this is how it goes. You have your Ethereum reflect here. Okay, I did not send any Ethereum to wrong address, so it will just come up this way. So when it is like this, the mistake that most people make again is they try sending this Ethereum from their metamask to Coinbase wallet. That you will totally lose that Ethereum. You will lose it. I mean, you will lose everything. You're going to lose it. So you don't do that. Don't send it to Coinbase. Don't send it to any other wallet. I advise you to send it to either Trust Wallet or Binance. But if you are sending it to Binance, you're not sending it on Ethereum ERC network. This is how to copy the address. Now go to your Binance. Go to your Binance once again. Okay, so when you get to Binance, click on wallets. When you click on wallet, click on spot, click on deposit, click on Ethereum, then choose network. To choose network, this is where you need to choose the right network. Okay, click on BEP20 because that's what the Ethereum exists on. Then copy that BEP20, then go back to your metamask. Metamask always asks for password. Then you click on the Ethereum. Remember, before you go on to send any Ethereum out of this wallet, you need some little bit of smart chain right there, either $1 of smart chain at least, or $2 of smart chain as transaction fee, because it is on smart chain network. Okay, click on, so you need to deposit smart chain. So you click on Ethereum, click on send, paste in that address that you just copied. Okay, so you need some smart chain, click next. Okay, enter the amount. Let's say you had like 1,000 Ethereum, enter the amount and then click next. I don't have, there's insufficient fund, I have money in here, so you send and then it will reflect automatically on your Binance. So once it is on your Binance, then you can send it to any other wallet. You can send it to any other wallet on whatever network you want to send it on. Okay, so if I click on withdraw, okay, if I paste any address right there, you can see here I can choose any network I want to send it on, which is mostly ERC and BEP20 ERC. If you're sending to Coinbase, choose ERC. So showing you how to do that, and probably you've recovered your token. If you actually lost it, congratulations, you have done it well. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then if you wish to send me some gift, smart chain address in the description. Peace, one love. See you in my next video.
One, two, one, two, one, two.